In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove the VLC Media Player from your device, from your computer, laptop, or tablet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is close out of any instances of the application. Go ahead and open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side, select installed apps. Search for VLC in the search menu here, located on the list, and select the three-dotted icon next to it that says More Options, and then select Uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select Uninstall here. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes, and select Next, and then if you want to delete your preferences and saved information, you can delete that as well. Otherwise, just keep it unchecked. Select Uninstall to confirm. Give it a moment to complete here. And that's pretty much it. You may want to restart your computer to remove residual files that are left behind, but that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.